This is our most popular program and where most teams start when working with Signature Teambuilding. Shifting Gears is a program comprised of a variety of short activities. Most programs consist of 8 to 12 different activities specifically chosen to meet the needs of each team, so each program is uniquely customized. Regardless of the design, every Shifting Gears program is purposeful and fun. It focuses on building meaningful relationships, especially important now with hybrid work environments, thinking more creatively, being effective at solving problems as a team, developing better communication skills, and enhancing trust among team members. Unique features of this program include interactive, a high degree of connection between people whether a group of 8 or 80, non-competitive, teams focus on collaborating, not competing with one another, inclusive, anyone can participate, completely mobile, we can conduct this program anywhere. Give us a call at 804-651-8888 to see if Shifting Gears is the right program for your team.